gas, and I'm going to pick up the chainsaw oil. Again, I buy it by the gallon. Buying the gallon is much more effective than buying it by the quart. Again, about 2 tanks of gas equals 1 tank of chainsaw bar oil. But since I'm here, I'm ready to do it. I'm going to go ahead and fill up this, re-top off this. That didn't take much at all. Maybe have a little spillage there, but there you go. So I'll put the caps back on, and this chainsaw will be ready to go. And then the CS400, I'll do the same steps with it. So now I have tightened the chainsaw tightening screw. I have cinched down on the bolts and the tightening casing. I'm just going to push down once more on the